Okay, hello friends. So this is Rani Ahmed with you, and we're taking a video on how to use the 2-inch telescope, 2-inch eyepieces. Okay, this original Celestron eyepiece kit. Okay, 2-inch one, and I have there the 1.25-inch eyepieces. So the way you're gonna use them is as follows. Okay, and I tried to use it. This is my telescope. Okay, and this is how the eyepieces are set inside the focuser. Okay, and it doesn't matter which eyepiece is there. Okay, but the way it should sit is you have first here, let's see, yes, that's me. Oh, let's see, it's three parts, okay, that you'll have to use because the eyepiece of 2-inch size cannot go inside the shaft of the focuser, and so you need some adapter, which is this one in the middle. Okay, this piece in the middle, you will see them. And what else? And here you must install a Barlow lens, okay, because this eyepiece, if the eyepiece shaft, okay, can go inside the tube of the focuser, you won't need the Barlow, but you know, this is a 1.25-inch telescope, okay, and the focus is 1.25 inch, okay, but here I have a 2-inch, so this is wider, okay, so it does not go inside it. So unless you do something else, which is like without the Barlow, you can just put this inside that tube, you know, some way or another. Okay, so this is what will happen. This is what should be done. Okay, just to be able to see. Okay, so here is what we have. Okay, I'm outside because the sky is so clear. Okay, very clear. Okay, I know there are lights beside me, but because I'm trying to demonstrate things like in real time. Okay, so so this is the eyepiece. See, this is the eyepiece. Okay, and this is here. We have the adapter. Just a second. So this is what makes it go from 2-inch to 1.25. Of course, you will be losing some of the view. Okay, it will be narrower, and this is the 1.25-inch barrel lens. It's the one that comes with the case. Okay, yeah, it's a 2 times Barlow. Just I'm trying to prove to you that it's the Barlow lens. Okay, so this is it. Okay, just because I need some focusing, and what I'm using here, I still don't know yet what I've used, but it's any piece, doesn't matter. Okay, so this one is it's an Elux 26. This is the smallest, the strongest one, and the smallest that I have. Okay, between the eyepieces. So this is the like this is the queue of piping. Okay, so you start with this, then this, then this. Okay, pen into the focuser. Okay, so I would love to show you what will happen, but of course, if I'm using the Barlow, this means that I'm losing focus. So there's no like, if this part can go inside the focuser, this aluminum part here can go inside the focuser, it would be 10 times easier without using the barrel lens. Okay, and that's all. Okay, and good luck with your clear skies. Now it's spring, and have fun, guys. Have fun. Okay, and don't lose these nights. Okay, this is spring. Okay, bye.